Now let us know about the strings. So what is a string? So a string is a sequence of characters used to store and work with the text, right? We have different types of creating that strings. So for example, in double quotation or using the single quotation or using the backticks, right? Using the backticks. So this is how we have three different types of creating the strings, right? And let us now backticks were generally used in template literals, string literals. We'll know about it. So first we I just want to tell about the string methods, different type of string methods. First one is trim, right? This trim method will remove the white spaces from both the ends. Let's see through an example. Const greet is equals to, so I'm going to take a string and with many white spaces uh, left and right to the string. So these are called the spaces, right? So this trim method will remove all these spaces. Okay, so let's see. Console dot log of, I'm using, like, if I just print this greet, so this hello and left spaces and right spaces will get printed, right? So for example, if I use the trim of method, so here you can see the difference between both of them. So here we have those left and right spaces have got printed, and here there were no left and right spaces, right? They got trimmed off, right? That's how we can use the trim method. Next, let us know about the slice. The second method is slice method. So this method executes section of string and returns it as a new string without modifying the original string. So without modifying any original string, it will return the new string, right? So we'll observe through an example. So here you can see I have used the slice method here. So a slice of 0 comma 3 and slice of 2 comma 5, right? So for this hello world string, right? So for 0 comma 3 it will start from the 0 index. It will start from the 0 index and print. So here you can see HEL, it has printed 0 1 2, because last one will not get printed, right? Last but one will, up to last between, it will get printed. So 0 1 2 up to there it will get printed. Next one is, it will start from 2 and ends at 5 before 5, not 5, 5 before. If you use 4 here, 4 before it will end. So we have got the output. Okay, next method is two uppercase method, right? Two uppercase method. So if you use this method, console dot log of greet dot to uppercase of, right? So this method converts a string to uppercase letters. So let's see with an example. So here you can see all those letters of hello world has converted into capital letters, right? So in the output now I'll keep the capital letters and make it to convert into small letters. Hello world, right? So here instead of uppercase I'll take lowercase of, right? So here you can see all the uppercase letters has converted into lowercase letters, right? Next one, split. The next method is split method. So this method is used to split a string of an array into an array of substrings. This particular, so we'll look at through an example. So const string is equals to, okay, she is a good girl, right? So I'll just split the words. Here I have used the colon, right? I mean, words is equals to string dot. Here I'll split the words using that particular symbol, based on the particular symbol, right? So console dot log of words. So here you can see wherever I use this symbol, up to there it got splitted off, right? So this method will split the string into an array of substrings. Only one single string will become the substrings. You wherever that particular split symbol occurs, right? The next method is replace method. So replace method, this method searches a string for a specified value and returns the new string. Wherever the specified value is there, it will get replaced, right? So I'll use the replace symbol here. I mean replace method. So instead of, I'll just remove these, and instead of good, I want bad, right? Okay, I want beautiful. So here you can see she's a good girl to she's a beautiful girl. It has been converted, right? So this is the next method, replace method. Next, include method. This method determines whether a string contains the characters of a specified string or not. So this will return the true if string contains those values. Otherwise, it will return the false, right? So I have take the same string, let us take the same string, and instead of replace I'll take includes. So whether it includes good or not, let's see. So yes, it includes true. And let's say go, whether this particular string includes the go or not, it includes. Let's say beautiful. Here false. This string doesn't include beautiful, right? This is the next method, and the next method is concat method. This method is used to join two or more strings. If you want to join two or more strings, then you can use a concat method, right? So string dot concat of. So I want to take one more string, hello, for string 1, and const string 2 is equals to world, right? I want to combine two strings, string 1 and string 2, right? So I'll keep them directly in console. So console dot log of string 1 dot concat of string 2. So here you can see both hello and world got concated. The next method is index of method. This method returns the position of the first occurrence of a specified value in a string, right? So we have to use the index of method. Index O should be of capital, and I want to find the index of, in string 1 I want to find the index of E, right? So I'll just run the code, and 1 is the index of this particular E, right? If you want to find the index of O, then you can see here the index of O is 4. So that's how you can find the index of any particular variable through the index of function, I mean method, right? Next method is starts with method. So I'll say here hello world, hello, hello world, hello. Okay, hello world, hello. Okay, so string 1 dot starts with of, whether it starts with world or not, let's see. So it's, let me just keep it in the, okay, so here you can see false. Okay, so instead of world I'll keep hello, So here you can see it's true. It was starting with hello. Right? For ends with also you can do the same. END, ends with. It was ending with hello, right? So we got true as the output. Yes. Next method is a toString of method. This toString of method will return the value of a string object. Okay. So I'll just remove all this code, and const num is equals to 15, and then const new num is equals to this particular num dot toString of, right? Okay. Console dot log of, I want to print the new number, new num. Okay, and let's see the output. 15. Okay, what is this toString of is doing? This will return the value of a string object, right? For example, you have this 15 here. It was returning the value of this particular string object. Right? Next one is substring. So this method returns the part of the string between the start and end indexes, or to the end of the index, right? So let's take the first one. String is equals to I am learning JavaScript. I am learning JavaScript. Console dot log of string dot substring of 2 comma 9. Okay, so I want the substring. This 2 is the first index, start index, and 9 is the end index. In between those two indices, what is the substring that I have, that this particular string have, that will get returned, right? So here you can see am learn, that is the middle part of the string, right? And the last method is length method. So this length will return the length of the particular string, right? So string dot length. Okay, the length is 24. So that we have got in the output. So that's it about the strings. Now let us know about the template strings. Template strings, they're also called as template literals, right? They are enclosed by the backticks. Okay, backticks, they are used to embed the variables or expressions in the string. These are written in the multi-line strings. Okay, so let's see with an example. I'm going to remove all this code, and I'm going to write other code. First name is equals to Gayatri. Console dot log of. Here we have to use the backticks for template literals, right? Right? So hello, first name, right? So here you can see I have used dollar, and in that I have used fn, that means first name, right? So for string literals to if you want hello Gayatri as the output, then you have to use like this, right? Okay, we have got the error, sorry. Semicolon actually at the end you have to give. Yes, we have got the output as hello Gayatri, right?